Hi everyone, welcome to the Shamkris Global Group YouTube channel.
Today we will see more about Nadcap Accreditation certification and how you can get it for your business. Nadcap certification is a globally recognized accreditation program specifically designed for aerospace and defense contractors. It is administered by the Performance Review Institute, PRI, an independent organization that ensures adherence to industry-leading quality standards. Nadcap certification serves as a seal of approval, demonstrating an organization's compliance with critical processes and systems in line with the aerospace and defense industry's best practices. Benefits of Nadcap Accreditation certification: enhanced credibility and market reputation. Nadcap certification builds strong credibility by proving compliance with stringent aerospace and defense standards. It boosts customer and OEM confidence and positions the organization as a trusted, globally approved supplier. Streamlined operations and improved efficiency. Nadcap accreditation helps standardize processes and strengthen controls, resulting in smoother workflows, better coordination, and improved operational efficiency with fewer disruptions. Cost savings. Nadcap audits identify gaps and inefficiencies, helping reduce rework, scrap, and repeat audits, leading to long-term cost savings and better use of resources. Who can apply for Nadcap accreditation certification? Aerospace and defense manufacturers, special process service providers, heat treatment, welding, NDT, chemical processing, coating, composites, Tier 1 and Tier 2 aerospace suppliers, maintenance, repair and overhaul, MRO, organizations. Documents required for Nadcap accreditation certification:
System manual, system procedure, policy, objectives, mission and vision, standard operating procedure, SOP, checklist, forms, formats, records, and others.
How to apply for Nadcap accreditation certification.
To receive our assistance, please visit certificationinindia.com/contact us and fill out the contact form. Our support team will get in touch with you promptly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more new updated certifications and licenses. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.